Welcome to Pavithra Laptop Care. Hi everyone. See, today's topic it's something different, but it's very important also in laptop chip level service. I have seen many technicians. They doesn't know the meaning of communication. When and where it will active, and it happens in the motherboard chip level service. They don't have any idea. Many students I tried and I checked also, so they don't have any answer for this particular thing. So for them I am making this video. Today's topic is communication. See, communication, I am talking to you, but you can listen my words, but you are not talking, right? This is one way communication. If I am in live in Zoom meeting or some live YouTube live, then you can, if you are logged in, so then you can talk to me in Zoom especially, right? That is two-way communication. The same thing will happen in laptop also. Many communication parts are there. Without communication, laptop will be dead. It's like a coma. What are the voltage it produces, it gives, so then also no use. Without, see, that's it. So I'm not taking anything, just I'm looking to you. Is there any communication happened? No, right? So what you will think? Is it dead or alive? That only you will think, right? So like that, the same situation will happen in laptop motherboard also. So what are those? I'll give an example, then you come to know you knows this better or not. That I don't know, but for your better understanding I am making this video. Let us discuss about communication. What is this communication? Just now I gave an example. It's a one-way communication, one-way or two-way communication will happen, right? See, everyone knows the motherboard required voltages, right? Second one, signals. See, if I ask some, actually I asked one of the technician, he told once PLT RST will come, everything will work properly. I was talking about communication and he was talking about PLT RST because a YouTuber told him, or I don't know from where he collected, PLT RST is always thinking about PLT RST. No guys, that is not only one output. That's not final output. Don't think about those things. Okay. So that also it's required. It's like a RSM RST. That is not a final one. You required communication. See, you got the display. I'm writing something. I'm shaking my mouse. If I can't shake this, where shall I click? Right. See, I am typing something here, A, B, C, D or something in from the keyboard. There will be communication. If I unable to type those things, how you will type? How you will give the command to the laptop? I mean processor. How processor will do the work? ALU logic, right? So that's why. So communication is most important thing in laptop chip level services. Okay guys, I'll take an example of a schematic. I'll take for an example, just a minute. See, it's a very famous board. It's a Dell Inspiron 153542. Here everyone knows this is the charger section. Charger also has communication. Really you knows, but the thing is little bit knowledge you required. That one I wanted to tune. See this charger, how it will communicate, where it's communicating. The charger is communicate with the battery and IO. See here SDA SCL. This is only for not, it's actually what is that 3.3 voltage. Everyone knows here it should be, there should be 3.3 volts. If battery is not charging, just you replace the connected resistors. That's not knowledge. Why SDACL is required? That also very important thing here. See, this charging IC, any charging IC you take, SDACL must. Why? There is a communication connectors. Okay, just example I will show you. This pin number 9 and 8, where it's communicating. See the pull-up. What is the pull-up? Through the pull-up voltages, it will communicate. It will take outsource voltage, and it will communicate with the particular host. See here, bat SCL, copy, I'll search it. Where it will communicate. See, one more thing they have given. Okay, I'll come to this later. See, bat SCL, where it has gone? IO. Right, it's communicating with IO, and again where it has gone? See, it has pull up of this voltage. Here, what is this? Same thing. Battery connector. It has connected with the IO and battery connection. So what it means? Charging IC is communicating with the IO and battery as well as battery. So that's called communication path. Correct. Same SDACL. See here what it will do. It will collect the information about the battery as well as adapter. Actually, charging IC having a memory. It's like a BIOS. It has programmer chipset inside. Here through the charging IC, what charging IC will do? Charging IC will collect the information about the adapter, what wattage adapter has connected, and what is the voltage, what is current requirement. Battery, see, two CLR will be there. One is for main CLR and other one is for battery section, right? So main CLR will collect the information, differential voltage between the point 1 and destination point of the CLR. It will collect the main adapter information. It's connected or not, that information it will collect. This side, one more CLR will be there. No, from that side it will collect the information, battery is connected or not, and battery what current it required, and adapter what current it has connected. Those information it will collect. Right, there is a limit will be there. That limit it will collect, and it stores in the BIOS IC, means charging IC. Right, like this it will collect. The IO will give the information. Battery is connected, so you can charge. How much it has charged? So that much means battery. What the battery capacity? It is 0% charge or 100% charge or in between it has charge. All information battery will give to charger. The IO what it tells, adapter is connected and battery is connected, that information gives to the charger. Like this it will communicate with each other. See the bat underscore SCL, same one has gone to battery as well as where? Charging IC or IO, right? The IO is communicating between the battery and charging IC. So this is called communication. Without communication battery won't charge. See, in any institute, generally I am telling, so many technicians will complete their courses from many institutes, but what they will tell, still they have doubts, plugged in not charging. They should have proper knowledge about this communication thing part. If proper communication is there, then definitely they will solve the issues. Okay, what they will do, they simply replace those components what are connected. That is not correct thing. Okay, anyway, so communication, I will come back to the communication part. So first communication will happen with the battery and charger and IO. Okay, these are will communicate. And one more page we just now we saw, that page I will show you. All communication will happen through the pull-up resistors, pull-up voltages. See, in this page, everything they have given. See here, it's a NPCE, it's a IO. IO is talking with the battery and charger. Through what? Through SM bus. This is called SM bus path. The pull-up voltage is 3.3 volts auxiliary KBC. Through that, what the 4.7K resistor is there here, network resistor or single, whatever it may be. So it will connect to this path and it will communicate with the battery. See, 33 ohms. And same thing, this is called SM bus. SM bus is the communication channel, communication path. Through this SM bus, see address number 12, address number 16, address number 16 battery connected, address number 12 this charging IC has connected. So it's connected with the IO. And same thing, touchpad. Just now, see, I am shaking the mouse. This is communication. If I click there, so if I select there, it's communicating with that. So it's selecting. Like that keyboard also. See here, touchpad. Touchpad has communication. TP clock, TP data. Okay. And what are the communication part here? Memory, obviously it required data and clock, that you know very well. Without data it won't do anything, right? See, through what? PCH SM bus clock. This is a signal. This is communication signal. Through this communication signal, it's communicating with the DIM1. What is this? See, IO communicating with the only battery and charging IC. Is there anything? Yeah, touchpad also. So 3 communication part it has. Which one? IO. And the same part, same thing here, PCH means processor and PCH both are same, right? So here PCH they have given. See the address path. SM bus address 82 and 83, X 82 and 83. What is the pull-up? This pull-up voltage. If this won't come, this communication won't happen, right? So through this communication, SML1 clock, SML1 data, it's communicating with the thermal section. So this is the communication part. And here DGPU, graphics section. See, through this SM bus, SMBC therm NV, and before that what it will be? SM data and clock. Through this communication channel, so it's communicating with DGPU. Okay, so same thing where it's connected, it has connected to IO also. See, SCL2, SDA2. It's a general purpose connection 7374. Right. So these are communication signals. Through these communication signals, this will talk. See this HDMI connection. Through what? Clock and data. HDMI, clock and data. Okay. Now you come to know, right? So what are the communication channels? Without this, see, graphics won't work. Without this, thermal won't work. Once thermal section has some issues, if there is no communication between this, the thermal information won't come to this part, then your motherboard will be dead. Okay, DGPU part, it won't. If you won't communicate with the PCH, then no display or hang, right? So you can get the display but hanging. And through this one, charging IC, DIM1. This is DIM1 touchpad. This one PTN 33 something has given, so that one also communicating with this. So what are the communication channel total? SM clock and data, SMB clock and data is communicating with the RAM, touchpad, and this one PTN. I will check afterwards. VDD, what is that I don't know. But anyway, here through that SML1 clock, SML1 data, it's communicating with the thermal section, DGPU, HDMI connections. See guys, after you getting all the things, if you won't get communication channel or communication signals, definitely your motherboard If it is working also, it will be in coma stage. Otherwise, it will be in dead condition. That's it. If you have any doubt or any queries or any comments, please put it in comment box. So I'll try to answer you. Thank you. Thank you very much.